All right, our water is starting to simmer, so we're going to go ahead and peel our potatoes. We're going to wash them first and pick off any of the eyes that we see in here. So we're going to go ahead and cut off the ends. And we'll discard those. Just go ahead and peel the skin off. We're going to do that to both of our potatoes. And when the skin is off, we're going to dice them to about the size that we've cut our onions. Discard our peels. And take our onions, our potatoes, and cut them to about the size of our onions.